Hello, I'm Michelle Park here with the latest weather update. The capital Seoul and the Chungcheong-do Provinces are under ultrafine dust warnings. Now, stronger winds this afternoon have helped gradually clear out the dust, but still make sure to keep your masks on until it clears completely. Now, Wednesday afternoon will start out overcast, especially in the northern parts of the peninsula, so the highs will be a lot lower in Seoul compared to the southern regions. Now, colder weather will sweep the nation tomorrow morning, though. Seoul's temperature plunging down to -9 degrees Celsius, Chuncheon at -13, and Daegu and Gyeongju at -7 and -6 degrees respectively. The wind will die down and the sun will come out, bringing the highs back up to their seasonal norms tomorrow. And the rest of this week is shaping up to be quite mild. And the south coast and Jeju, we are looking at wet weekend. I'll leave you with the weather conditions around the world.